question and you've just had time to think about it, what are the key words in that question? Amy, give me one.
Explain.
Explain, performers and spectators. What else is another key word? Another couple of key words that you've got to talk about. Etiquette and... Right, brilliant. So, what is the structure, Olivia, that we need to use when we're writing an extended answer?
P.
So what does the P stand for?
Point.
Yeah.
Example. Maybe. Well,
Really?
evidence.
Yeah, evidence, or you can call it explain. Yeah, and then you've got what?
E.
Example.
And then P again.
Yeah, so what's that bit?
P.
Explanation point.
Right, good. So example related to performance. So we've got point, we need to explain it, an example related to performance. So, if we are answering that question, what things are we going to talk, what are going to be our points, what are things we're going to talk about? If we're talking about sporting behaviours, what do we need to mention? Go on, Dean.
Respect.
Right, so respect is a value. What sporting behaviours have you just been learning about on that table? Right.
Oh, right, yeah.
Oh, yeah. So Megan has just said sportsmanship. Amy's just said gamesmanship. What's the other question that's in that word? What other question is that? What other word is in that question that you said was a key word? Right, good. Okay. So, you've got sportsmanship, gamesmanship, and etiquette. So the question is saying, why is it important to show those behaviours? So what do you think we need to do? What do you think we need to do with each one of those behaviours? Now we've identified them.
Explain them.
Right, good. So we need to give definitions, okay, of each one of those behaviours. And then, when you've done that, what is the bit in the question? What's it telling you?
Example.
Yeah, we've got to give examples of it in the sport. So we give examples in the sport. But then what's the other part of the question that it's saying? So once we say, for example, we've got sportsmanship, we define what sportsmanship is, and we give an example of how you could see sportsmanship in the sport. But then what is the other part of the question that we've got to answer here?
And show.
So it says...
Show good etiquette sporting.
Okay. Why?
Explain.
Explain why it is important for performance. So once we've done this bit, boys, I'm getting, do you know what? I can do this with you three at break time. So once you've defined each one, once you've given an example, we've then got to say why it is important. So why is it important to have good sportsmanship? What's going to be the benefits to a sport of seeing good sportsmanship? Go on, Dean.
If you have good sportsmanship in the sport, it'll make the game...
Stop.
Oh my God.
Go on, sorry.
If you have a good sportsmanship in the sport,
Yeah.
it'll make the game more fun. But if you decide to start cheating, then the game...
There's no point of playing.
Right, good. So it makes it more fun, but if it makes it more fun as well, what are you going to be able to do when you're playing? Go on, Abdul.
Oh, miss, I got like a point.
Go on.
You might go viral.
Go on.
You might go viral.
What is
Like
it?
people appreciate it and stuff.
And miss is like,
You'll be known as a cheater.
oh, you miss actually forget.
No,
Miss, you'll be known as a cheater.
Miss, I'm saying you might go viral if you have
okay,
someone.
listen. So you said it would be more fun, but also, if it's fun, you will be able to play to the best of your ability.
Yeah.
Okay, so you'd say why. So then you talk about gamesmanship. And what you need to say there is what effect it has on the game. So like, is it positive? Is it negative? What happens if you see that in a game? Okay? So you need to go through, to answer that question, we need to do a start-off introduction that says, these are the sporting behaviours that you can see, and they can have a positive or a negative effect on sport, and then we need to go through each one of these points, explain them, give examples, and then say why. Okay?
Miss, are you writing it like in a full sentence? But like last time I done it in like bullet points, so we're not doing it like that.
Yeah, so rather than writing bullet points, I want you to try and write in full sentences, and you need to try and use connectives. So you could write, for example, you could write firstly, secondly, however, therefore, as a consequence, yeah, to try and link your sentences together. But that is the sequence that you need to go through. So you're going to make your points, you're going to define each point, give an example of it, and then say why it's important. If you do that for each one, you'll get 8 marks. Okay? Do you understand what you've got to do?
Yes, mate.
Off you go.